YouTube family, what is up, man? It's your boy Zay, back with another video. And as you can see, we got a new toy. Yeah, man, so I'm finna unbox it for you. Finna let y'all see what it is, man. I'm kind of late to the game, so y'all probably already know what it is. Some of you may not. I always say that y'all probably know, but some of you may not. But now you do. You see it right there, man. HELLCAT. I'm gonna go over what come in the box, but first off, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all want to see. Yes, man, I did get the HELLCAT Pro FDE. It got the threaded barrel, which is the OSP. I think HELLCAT Pro OSP. Don't ask me what OSP mean. I don't know. I'm sure it got a meaning though. I just know in my terms, just threaded barrel version. Yeah, man. So here it is right here. No ammo. Let y'all see that it is safe, clear. It is no ammo, no live ammo in the room, period. And this is the 17 round mag. Y'all see that? This is the 17 round. It comes with two mags, 17, and it comes with a 15. The 15 actually sits flush. Sits flush in there, better for concealed carry. I mean, you can conceal the 17 also, but that end just gonna stick out a little more of that base plate on that mag. Me personally though, I kind of like the way the 17 look. It's only like an inch more, you know, that you're trying to conceal, but it's definitely possible. This is a 4.4 inch barrel, if I'm not mistaken. It got the tritium front sight, U-dot sights in the back, or U sight in the back. It got the front tritium dot, easy to pick up, real easy to pick up. It ain't gonna show up on the camera, but yeah. Overall, I like it, man. Let me show y'all what come in the box. Got a little HELLCAT envelope here. Let's see what all come in here. Operation manual. Springfield Army operation manual. You got, oh, this is a sticker. Clean the surface like your mama taught you. With rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Yeah, though, this is a sticker, man. It's just giving you the instructions on how to put it on whatever surface you want to put it on. But you got what's this? Got your little card with some little codes on here or whatever. Get some stuff at a discount. Got your little warning labels. Yeah. All the stuff that's boring, basically. But you got your little target. This is showing that they shot it. It functioned. Distance 10 meters. Looks like it's pretty accurate to me. And then obviously you got your little barrel thing. Comes with a speed loader. Let's see. Grab one of these mags. Okay. A little speed loader. This one actually nicer than the Glock one. You got like a little handle you can actually grip it on. The Glock one, they just slide out your hand. But yeah, you got that. Obviously, you got your lock. I'm sure almost every gun comes with one of these. I never use them. I got a pile of these. But yeah, that's all that come in the box. Nothing really crazy other than your basic stuff. Put that back. Defend your legacy. Springfield Armor. It just come in a plain little box. Nothing crazy about the box. But yes, this version does have the threaded barrel. It's a little bit longer. The grip is a little bit longer than the regular HELLCAT. I have shot the regular HELLCAT before. I don't own one, but I shot one and they are very snappy. I haven't put any rounds through the Pro yet, but from what I've been seeing, it's way better. You can manage the recoil way better than the regular HELLCAT. And the regular HELLCAT is not bad. It's just very snappy, but it is a micro gun, a micro compact. So that is what's to be expected from that. It is optics ready. Threaded barrel once again. Throw your little hush hush up there. Trigger is very nice. Let's see if I can get this. Very nice and audible. There, reset. Right there. It's hardly no take up. Got a little bit of mush there, but then you hit a wall. It's a solid wall. And then it breaks. Then you got that reset right there. Yeah, so trigger is very good. Very, very clean, crisp break. And it's made by, these HELLCATs are imported. They're not made by Springfield. They're made by HS product in Croatia. But they are very nice guns. Let me compare it to the 43X in size. Once again, this is clear. No ammo. Got a Hollison on here. TR-7 sub. But for a little size comparison, you got just a little bit more on the slide and length up front. Just a small amount more. About the same in width. The grips are about the same. HELLCAT Pro may be just a tiny bit slimmer, or it feels slimmer anyways. But I can say the HELLCAT feels a lot better in hand than the 43X, to me anyways. It could have something to do with the stippling. This stippling is it's not super aggressive, but the more you grip on the gun and get down on it, it's like it just, I don't know, like you can get on it real good. I like the stippling on this though. It's very nice. But yeah, let's see. See if you can see that better that way. Once again, I haven't put any shots through the HELLCAT Pro yet. I will be doing a video on that, first shots video. But I just wanted to kind of give y'all a little overview before I put any rounds through it. It's a beautiful gun, man. Y'all know I love that FDE, or that Coyote Brown, whatever you want to call it. Desert Sand, there's tons of names for it. But y'all know I love that color. My 19X is also that color. Actually, but I went and grabbed the 19X so I could kind of show y'all side by side with the 19. The HELLCAT is more of a micro compact size gun, but it is also full size in a sense too. Because if you can see, the slide is not that much longer than the 19X. Maybe an inch at most, not even an inch. The frame is a little bit longer. Just a tiny bit though. Obviously the grip is bigger. Then I do have the beaver tail on here also, but the grip is bigger. Yeah, so it's honestly not a huge difference. See if I can lay them down so you guys can see. It's not a huge difference, to be honest. That's why I say it's very concealable because of the thinness of it, but it's not that much bigger than a full-size 19 or, you know. But the 43X is not that much smaller than the HELLCAT. So yeah, that's just a little comparison. Just a little comparison for those, so you can kind of see the size of it if you were ever planning on buying one or you've been looking to get one. But yeah, I'm gonna, pretty sure I'm gonna upgrade it. Probably put extended mag release, takedown lever, slide release, which is not really that terrible though. It's not really that terrible. I may leave it stock actually. I don't know. But I will be getting a light and a sight. Not sure what I want to go with yet up top. I've been looking at the Hex Wasp, and the Holosun actually also fits on here. So I may possibly just get another 507 to put down here, and probably get another Streamlight. Probably not the TLS 7 sub, probably go with something different. Just so I don't have like the same setup on both, you know. But yeah, that video will be coming soon. And I was thinking about putting a trigger in here, but I don't know, man. This trigger is nice. I may keep this trigger. I honestly may keep this trigger. But man, I appreciate all y'all. I love every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much for subscribing, watching my videos. Keep coming, keep liking. And until then.
For a dog so broke, I'm praying for him. She up nigga waiting for me. Dr. Trench banking on me. When I hit the bank, they know me. I feel like they favorite cousin. This is not a 5-year.